What messaging apps do you use to keep in touch with your friends and family? Unless you're using an encrypted messaging app, you're leaving it all out in the open. Here are the top 3 messaging apps NordVPN developers trust for security. Wickr offers end-to-end encryption, complies with all European Union data and privacy laws, it's open source, and it isn't obligated to share its data with intelligence services. However, the app keeps records of who users have contacted and also stores their emails, phone numbers, and usernames. Wicker is open source and doesn't collect user data or metadata. It also lets you set a timer to automatically delete all conversations and files ever shared on the platform. Most importantly, you don't need a phone number or an email address to register. Signal is an open-source platform with encryption protocol recognized as the most secure messaging app protocol out there. SMS, video and voice calls, group chats, file sharing, disappearing messages, and more features are available without ads or data collection. But you do need a phone number to register. For more security tips, don't forget to subscribe to the NordVPN YouTube channel.